guys, welcome to this video. Today I'm talking about my fall 2019 Fab Fit Fun box. I'm going to show you all the stuff I got in this bad boy right here. I love Fab Fit Fun. It's kind of hard to say. Fab Fit Fun. I've been getting it for a couple years on and off. Sometimes I like to take a break. If I'm getting too many subscription things in the mail, sometimes I'm just like, okay, that's enough. And then they're like, hey, we want you back. Here's a discount. And I'm like, okay. So if you want to check out what I got in my fall box, let's get into it. So I love Fab Fit Fun. They always have such great things in their box. It is more expensive, but it is a quarterly box. So I think it's $50 or $49 a quarter. And it's just got all this good stuff in it. They always give you like this little magazine thing. Tells you about everything that's in it and a bunch of other stuff. I usually don't read it, but it's in there if you want to read it. And what's really cool about Fab Fit Fun is they let you choose a lot of the items. So you'll have a choice of like 3 or 4 things and you can either choose or you could just say surprise me. So it's always a little bit of a surprise when you get your box because there are some items you don't know are in there, but you do get a choice of some things. So I think that's really cool because if it is $50, it's kind of expensive to maybe not get anything you want. But since they've been doing that where you get to pick things, I think that's really awesome. Also, they have add-ons. So I did get a couple little add-ons. So their add-ons are just some little extra goodies that you can choose to purchase for a discounted price. I don't remember what pricing these were because it doesn't say in my stuff here, but they were discounted, so that's really cool. So I got this 100% natural eye serum. And then this little, I think it's a rollerball. Yep, by the Lifestyle Co. because I always want to try new eye serums and creams. I also got this 07 Reviving Eye Serum. So my eyes need a lot of help, so I'm trying to figure out what's going to work. So this one's a little more yellowy, looks a little thicker and a little dropper. And I also wanted to try this Cocoa Floss Mint Floss. It says soft, fibrous cocoa floss with coconut oil and natural mint fragrance to scrub your pearly whites ultra clean. So everyone needs floss. So I was like, oh, let me try this coconut floss. Coconut oil floss. Thought it'd be better for you than regular floss. I don't know. We'll try it out. I think this was like $5. Why do I always have to have hair like in my eye? Okay, first thing I see in this box are these Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. It's a 6-pack. If you guys have not tried out these like gold eye masks, they're like kind of a little jelly feeling, like I don't even know, but you just set them under your under eye for like 10 minutes and they just help give that area some hydration. And I love, like, you just have these little gold eye patches. It looks really cool. It's not like a scary looking thing where a lot of face masks you look really weird. This one's kind of like a cute little like, oh, I have gold under eyes. I don't know, but I love these kind of things. I haven't tried this brand yet, so we'll see if I like these. These retail for $25. And oh, before I forget, it says the total value of this season's box is $211 to $345 depending on what you chose, which that's an awesome deal for only $50 a month or $50 a box. So I love that you get so much value in these boxes. It's crazy. Next thing is this Aveda Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair. And it says instant visible repair protects from heat styling. This retails for $30. It says infused with quinoa protein, macadamia oil, and soy. Instantly repair and protect your hair from heat styling up to 450 degrees. So that's amazing. I need a good heat protectant. I have one and it's almost gone. So very important to protect your hair if you're using any kind of hot tools, or even like your blow dryer. If you're doing it for a long time, it can damage your hair, get your hair like crusty, fried feeling. So make sure you're using something that protects against the heat. So things like this are not exciting to buy, especially ones that are this expensive. That's pretty pricey for this little tube. So you're getting an awesome product, and it's something that is necessary, but nobody really wants to go buy stuff like this because it's like, you just need to protect your hair from the heat. That's not exciting. I want to spend my money on exciting things that I'm excited to use or that smell amazing, or, you know, so getting stuff like this is really nice. Next is this Humankind Body Souffle. It says, lather yourself in a souffle blend of apricot oil and shea butter. Your skin will feel incredibly soft and moisturized. This retails for $18. Let's try this. Oh, and it says vegan and cruelty free. That smells really nice. Yep, that's a good one. Next thing, we have this Harper and Ari exfoliating sugar cubes in Juice Cleanse. These delightful sugar cubes are a great way to exfoliate and nourish your skin in the shower, all while leaving a yummy scent. These are $16. Okay, I want to eat these. They almost remind me of that gum. What is that gum? They're a lot smaller than this, but they're like those little cubes with like the little granules on them. But like it smells so yummy. It smells like really fresh, like watermelon-y, like juicy. Okay, this is gonna be amazing. I can't wait to use this. Then we have this After Spa hair towel wrap. It retails for $18. It says this towel is designed with an elastic loop and button to comfortably dry and hold your hair up. So I love using these things. I started using them probably 2 years ago-ish, and I used to just like take the whole towel, flip my head over, wrap the whole towel, and it was like this giant thing on my head and it would never stay. And I got one of these from somewhere, not this brand or anything, but like it changed my life. I was like, wow, I can have this, like I can have my hair up in a towel, but it stays there, and it's this like small thing that kind of looks cute. Like it looks like you're like at home doing like a spa day or something. So it just looks way better, and it works way better. So I have a white one, so now I got a pink one. I'll definitely use this. They're such a cool like thing you don't think about to get, but love it. Next we have the Cosmetics Pure C. It says nothing brightens the skin like vitamin C. Add a dose of the 100% pure absorbic acid to your nighttime serum or moisturizer. So this is a vitamin C. It says vitamin C mixing crystals. It's just like a powdered vitamin C, I think, that you just mix in to any of your current skincare, and it's gonna just give you that vitamin C boost, because vitamin C is very good for your skin. So that's a cool little thing. Retails for $54. Wow, that is expensive for this little tiny, it's 0.2 ounce of the vitamin C powder. So that's an expensive skincare item. I definitely will use that. Next I have this really cute Kate Spade lunch tote. So let's open this up. This retails for $30. I definitely would not spend $30 on a lunch tote. Like, who needs a designer lunch tote, you know? But when they throw things like this in the thing, you just feel so like fancy. Like, yes, I have a designer lunch tote. And then the front says out to lunch. That's cute. So it's just like this little insulated bag, which, I mean, I don't know how much I'll use this, but it's kind of nice if you want to go anywhere and you want to have a couple cold drinks, throw an ice pack and some drinks in there, or, you know, maybe I'll go on a picnic. I don't know, but thought that was cute. I love the color. I like the little polka dots. Then finally, we have the best thing in this box, in my opinion, the Amika Strand Perfect Ceramic Styler. So you get a hair straightener in this box. This retails for $80. And I don't know about you guys, but I feel like I buy a new hair straightener and then like several months later, it just like either like smells like burnt hair or like I drop it and it stops working, whatever. But I love having a backup. And the color of this, I love that. So pretty. So I've never had an Amika hair straightener, but it says, have a good hair day every day. The 100% ceramic plates generate safe and even heat for shiny, smooth hair. So I love that. I love to curl my hair with a hair straightener too. Like I just do the curl, twist, curl thing. Of course, I will use this. So that's amazing. So that's all my stuff from my Fab Fit Fun box. I will put the link down below if you guys want to sign up. But overall, I think this was a pretty good box. There was nothing in it that I don't think I'll use. I think I'll use everything. That's everything for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.